One of the few things I'm picky about is work gloves. I love these. They're the generic mechanics gloves that you get in the hardware section at Walmart. I think you get 3 in a pack for $8. You can't kill these things. They last forever. Not really warm, but warm enough. Good grip. The fingertips don't wear out. I just love these gloves. So what we're going to do today is split the hickory. With the cold weather continuing, we've actually started to dip into next year's wood. So I'd feel a little bit better if I got all this split and stacked over here. That way when we're done burning this year, I can take it, replenish this. This side is full, and we can continue with the process of filling up this side. You can see there's quite a bit here, and it's already 10 o'clock in the morning. Let's begin. All done. It took roughly an hour and 45 minutes. We started at 10. It's about quarter till 12 now. Not bad for a morning's work. You can see I used a ramp just like I did when I loaded them. It's taking most of the weight, and the goal is to never have the full weight of any one of those logs dependent on me. It's on the ramp or it's on the I-beam. Never once, those logs are big and dangerous and I don't want to get hurt. Never once am I supporting all that weight. It splits it in half. I let the one half rest down there on the ramp. Split that into quarters. Sometimes that goes on the ramp too. But the ramp is doing most of the work throughout this. And as you saw, that also saves me from going all the way down to the ground to pick up those half pieces when it's split. So I still got to clean this up, gas it up, check the oil, put it away. It's getting a little bit windy out. But thanks for watching day 21, and we'll see you tomorrow. That is one shaggy dog. I think you could win a beauty contest if you just clean up a little bit.